Right, and ready? No!
You're being a sausage.
I don't want it.
Bump!
And tell Daddy's been a sausage.
Bump!
I want to touch it.
Right. Right. Is that Edward might turn it on. Don't turn it on, Edward. Good boy. See. So I'll take this so Amber can touch it. Just let go for a minute.
Was that your Christmas present, Anthony?